But she caught up with a fellow countryman who called, well, this arena home.
Sabine, thank you very much for your time. We can easily do this little talk we have in German.
In German, yes.
It would be no good for anybody.
Only for us.
Wir hätten unseren Spaß und wir könnten jetzt uns 10 Minuten unterhalten, aber wir verstehen kein Wort.
Ja.
But let me ask you, your first Grand Slam final, how does it feel?
Unbelievable, but there's still one more match to go.
Absolutely true. What do you think your emotions going to be like stepping out on that center court?
I can't wait to get there. I love playing on that center court. It feels like home. The crowd is so supportive and I just love playing there, so I really can't wait to play the final.
Again, you have this infectious smile. The British public loves you. You know, the list of Germans popular in this country is very short. How can you explain to us why do you think we love you here?
I don't know. It's an amazing feeling. It really is. It's, you know, when you step on the court and have the support of the entire stadium is something unbelievable, and it's so nice to see the joy of the people who support you and to see the smile on their faces too.
They made a difference in the semi-final. You felt that the crowd really were rooting for you?
Definitely. Also against Serena, when I came back from 3-love and 4-2 down to win it. You know, I have to believe that I can do anything now.
Yeah. Beforehand, quite honestly, I didn't think you were going to beat her. And what's different with Sabine Lisicki this year to the previous years?
Well, you know, I had a very tough injury 3 years ago. I twisted my ankle and I had to be on crutches for 6 weeks.
Wow.
So I really had to learn how to walk again. I had no muscles left in my calf. And then you start to appreciate to have 2 healthy legs. That's the first thing. And then I enjoy being on the court so much more now. And I don't let anybody take the joy away from me. That's why I'm so happy on the court and I just enjoy every single moment.
Let me ask you about a certain lady called Bartoli. You've played her before in this tournament. In fact, it's going to be the 3rd time. You've lost the first time, and you've played in 2011 in the quarterfinal. Tough match, 3 sets, but there was a thunderstorm, and there was a funny reaction you had.
Do you have to remind me of that?
Of course. You want to see you smile.
I hit a first serve and hit the net court, so I was just grabbing a ball and I think a thunder hit somewhere very close to the center court and I just shrugged because I was so surprised, yes.
Well, the good news is...
The crowd laughed.
Well, not only the crowd, everybody at home at television were a little bit...
You know, I always like to get attention, to be on the big courts. It's something that I always dreamed of, and I always dreamed of winning Wimbledon one day, and here I am, and one more match.
That's what you honestly felt. You were looking to win this title this year, regardless of the draw.
Yes.
Serena Williams, Maria Sharapova, Bartoli, you came here to win.
Yes, you know, I had a really tough draw actually. I had, from the start, very tough opponents, but I think that those tough opponents made me ready for every next match that I played, and those first 3 rounds made me ready to play against Serena, and the experience with beating Serena helped me in the semis, and I feel more than ready for the final.
So we're getting close to the famous winner's board.
It's amazing.
But 2013 is still empty. What would it mean to you?
The world. Yeah.
That's a big place.
Yes. My parents and I, we've worked so hard. My dad has worked from 8 in the morning to 9 in the evening to, you know, earn money to be able to let me play tennis. We had to cancel tournaments because we didn't have sponsors and we couldn't afford to go there. And we drove by car through entire Europe to tournaments, and you know, that car had 268,000 kilometers, so it's a lot, you know, so everything we went through, and then the injury. My parents were always there for me. They've always given everything they had, the last penny, into that. So I think it would be amazing to give something back to them.
Beautiful end. I give you a little kiss. I wish you good luck.
Thank you so much.
Alles Gute, ne?
Danke.
Oh, lovely.